Received instrument. Install the bracket first. First screw out the 2 screws at the bottom. Unscrew the screw. Then install the handle. Aim at this mouth. Then plug it in. Then put the handle. Then plug it in. Plug it in. Then we start installing this handle. Install the handle. Take out the lid. Then install the needle. There are 2 in the needle. One is small. Install the small one first. Then install this big shell. When installing, align his 2 holes. This hole. Align these 2 holes. Then there is the following hole. To align. Okay, you can push it in. Then when you feel stuck, at this point, we're going to press it in hard. Okay, just press it in. Then install the needle. Install this syringe. Don't want this syringe. Install this syringe. For the syringe, we're going to pull it out. Install this needle nozzle first. Then install the needle. To align with this seam, then press down. Press it down. Then install it. The lid. That's it. Now start the introduction of this interface. This is moving forward. Forward corresponds to here. After the end, you can't return it. And there it pauses. And back off. Back here. Then you have to pull it back. Align this position. And then there's RF. Radio frequency refers to this radio frequency energy, normally 6. The microelectricity. Microelectronics refers to this, also tune 6. Then this is manual. So what is manual? It refers to after clicking to start. It will now be in automatic mode. You don't need to press it. If you press here, it can be paused to start. Then if you light it up, it will be manual mode. What about manual mode? You have to press it once before it moves. Press it and it will move. If you turn it off, restart. It will automatically, so usually we use the automatic mode more often. Here it is. This is the neck, then around the eyes, and this face of ours. So when we operate, is to adjust its speed to 80 or 80. Then you can adjust the dose to 10, dose of 10, then this current of 6, and radio frequency, then start it. As long as you operate until his dose is not reached. Then just replenish it. Parameters. We follow the parameter of the screen. Speed adjustment 80. Then the dose is adjusted to 10. And then it's microelectro-dunon 6. RF liu. Then we manually turned it off. We're going to start this automatic. Just don't light it up. We're going to light up these two, then manipulate the face. We can just click on the face. Then click start. Okay. This position is to adjust it. This needle. It's here. This depth of his needle. Usually, we can just adjust it to the middle. Move here to the middle. And here's how we do it. Just click Start. After the operation method is started, we're going to follow this. Follow this roller to operate. Stick to the skin. Follow this roller slowly against the skin. Do it slowly. Do it slowly. Follow this roller here. You can operate it slowly. Don't pull too fast. Don't pull it too fast all at once. We have to operate slowly. Then we need to put it around the eyes. Manipulate all facial areas. Do it slowly. The same goes for the forehead. 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 We're going from top to bottom. From bottom to top. Then operate slowly like this. You can also operate horizontally. Follow this roller and operate horizontally. And then for the ER nose, we can stamp it and operate it. Put it in one place. Press for about 2 or 3 seconds. Then change location. Change position in 2 or 3 seconds. Here is also 2 or 3 seconds. Change location. You can cover it several times. Then the way we hold it. Here's how you hold it. You can also hold it left and right. Then operate the position you want to operate. And the corners of the mouth are the same here. Stamp tight to operate. Stick it up longer. And it's the same here. We're going to follow this. You have a roller running along it. Slowly follow it.